Hi, this is Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. A few days ago was my birthday. I texted my sales associate at Hermes store on Madison Avenue, and she texted me back and asked me to pop by and say she has something special for me. So here it is. A giant orange shopping bag. And if you hear the noise in the background, we are doing renovations. If you are interested in our renovation videos, please check out my channel. So here it is, the two boxes. I think from the size of the box, I sound like Hermes expert already possibly know what they are. Anyway, before I unboxing them, I'd like to share a little bit of my journey with Hermes store. At Madison Avenue. So we moved here 9 years ago, but I actually never stepped into any Hermes store until a little bit less than 2 years ago. That was when I pregnant with Hendrik. Before I shop a lot in Chanel. I'm still a big Chanel fan, but I think just 2 years, a little bit less than 2 years ago, I think finally I'm in terms of my style and also financially, I think I can afford Hermes. So the first time, actually, I'm not those people do tons of research about how to score a bag or whatever. So the only thing I know is, okay, bring your partner, and if you have some like a big event. At that time, for me, I'm pregnant with a big belly, so usually they can possibly offer you a bag. But the first time when I went in with Martin was a disaster. So all the sales associates, none of them wanted to talk to us, and for those ones who we talked to, like, they were really rude and impatient. Martin actually told me after, he said that he would never step foot in Hermes store ever again. So a week after that, I think it's a Tuesday or Thursday, I finished work early, so I decided to give a second try without Martin. So it was almost like, I think it is past 5 when I arrived at the store. The store closed, I believe, like 6 p.m. So it was not really crowded. I was just browsing through wallet, because from what I read, it seems like, okay, you have to buy something to establish your history. I said fine, like whatever, I'll buy some wallets. And here it is, my sales associate actually talked to me. She actually said to me, is there anything else I can do for you? Well, maybe she said, do you need help? Can I help you with something, I think. So I was like, huh, you actually talked to me first. Because the first time when we are here for an hour, like, nobody wanted to talk to us. Anyway, so I told her I was looking up a wallet and stuff, and eventually the conversation go into, like, I'm interested in Birkin and Kelly, but I'm really honest. I'm always really honest. I basically said to her, like, I'm never shopping Hermes store before, but I'm interested in Birkin and Kelly. Just tell me. I actually told her, I read you have to buy certain things. You heard to hit certain buying history in order to be offered a Birkin and Kelly. She actually laughed and she told me, she said, like, don't read everything on the internet. She said that at least that's not how she dealing with her client. She really want to get stuff like her client really want. And that is true. That is truly about this sales associate. So within this little bit less than 2 years, she got me a Birkin 30 Togo leather in gold, and also got me a green constance, and the only extra things I bought maybe It's a scarf and a scarf ring, and also 2 card holders, or 3 card holders. But every single one of them, it's like something I really like. And also every single time when I shop there for those extra stuff, she always said like, make sure you really like them. So these 2 is a few days ago when I visited her, what I got. Let me just unboxing the first one. So, let me just adjust the camera for you guys so you guys can see it in more detail. So, I actually unboxed this and I put it back for this video because I was so excited when I got it, so I unboxed it for Martin. And at first, okay, let me just stop talking and show you guys first. Ta-da! So I think a lot of Hermes experts can already know what it is. It's a Hermes Kelly Mini in epsom leather with a gold hardware, and the color is deep blue. This is such a nice color because New York winter it's very long, and I wear a lot of leather jacket and a lot of black and a lot of blue and a lot of gray. This is just like a perfect color for me. I actually requested blue Birkin, but when she told me she has a mini Kelly in blue, but not in like a bright blue I was asking for. But when I saw this bag, I was like, oh my god, it's like perfect for me. Okay, yeah, I think the plastic, okay, I think the plastic just getting in the way. Anyway, and there's a little strap inside. Oops. Oopsie, oopsie. So when I unboxed this for Martin, the first thing he actually said to me was like, "Are you joking?" Because he thinks this is such a tiny purse, like a toy. But when I put it on, he actually said, "Oh my god, it's actually perfect for you." Because I'm not a big wallet person. I always just have a card holders or 2 card holders with a phone and keys, and I have no makeup in my purse. So this is actually perfect. And I'm gonna stand up and wear this purse, let you guys see how it look like when I wear it. I am 5'5". Yes, right now I'm pregnant, but in general I'm a pretty slim person. So anyway, I think it's a perfect size for me. Let me just adjust this for you guys so you guys can see. So this is how you look like. Let me adjust a little bit more for you guys. So, and there's no problem for me to cross shoulder to wear it. Anyway, I think this purse is like absolutely stunning, and it's super light. So when I carry a Hendrik and on my arms, I don't feel any problems or any pressure on the other arms. Anyway, I think this is just such a stunning purse.